Sarah Ori, and I am the social media director here at Heritage Lawns and Irrigation. I'm responsible for things like Facebook and Twitter and things like that, but also bringing videos like this one to you. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the LawnGateway account. It's your account that you have 24/7 access to. You're able to see all your account information, make payments, set up different settings and AutoPay options and notification options and things like that, all through that website. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the entire LawnGateway customer management system. It's super easy and super straightforward, but let's get started. When you confirm service with Heritage, you will receive this confirmation email. On it, you will see your customer number. You will also see links to set up your account, sign up for AutoPay, and to be able to directly contact us. You will also see your address, your billing address. You'll see your welcome letter, as well as a link to a welcome video. You can click that, and then you can have a tour of the Heritage office. And you will also see a summary of all of your services down at the bottom. When you scroll back to the top, you can click on the Manage My Account link, and that will take you to LawnGateway. Click on the Create Your Account, or Create New Account, I'm sorry. And on there, you'll type in your customer number, which again was found at the top of your confirmation email. So you'll type that in, and then from there you'll also put the digits of your address along with your zip code, and your email address. Once all that's entered, all you need to do is press submit. And from there, you're in your LawnGateway account. You have access to this account 24/7. On here, you will see your services that you have with us. You will see your balance. You have a spot that you can make a payment. A spot you can enter any offer codes you may have, and then any ongoing offers. You can click that. Currently we don't have any going on, but it's always a good place to check. Then from there, you can go to the My History tab and see all the services that have been performed on your lawn. Again, your balance. You will see the history of services that have been done. So if you go down here and you click on a service, you'll see what the service was, all of your information, so your information, your account number, you'll see who did the job, and then you'll also see his notes about it. You'll see what he performed, and then you'll see what he suggests. So in this case, he noticed that I needed some pruning done, and he suggested some pruning and let me know I could call him. He also let me know about what the temperatures and things were outside, along with what exactly he used on my lawn, or in that case, pest control. So then if we go back to history, I can see here where he came back and he did the pruning, and his summary of the pruning. This one was a little less detailed, but he still put what he did on there. Then you also have options to request estimates and add services to your account, make a payment or sign up for AutoPay. You're also able to easily refer a friend. By clicking on this tab, you can enter all of their information, and when you refer a friend, then both of you will receive $20 off your next service. So fill in their information and then press submit, and it will be sent directly to our office. You can also go to the FAQ page with lots of frequently asked questions. These are things that we hear a lot. Why is my grass like this? Why is my lawn drying out? Those types of questions. You're also welcome to ask your lawn coach any questions at any time. Then we also have maintenance tips. That way you can do your part in keeping the lawn the way you would like it while we do our part. We also have an About Us tab. On there, you can see all of Heritage's beliefs and what makes us different. And then we also have a Contact Us tab if you need to get a hold of us. The last few things on the My Account tab, you can work on your profile. So you can go on here and you can change any settings. Let us know what notifications you'd like to receive from us. You can also update your phone numbers. You can update your privacy settings, all of those. Click Manage Properties. If you have multiple properties, feel free to add them here. You can sign up for AutoPay on here. Simply fill in your information and you're set to go. You'll never have to worry about it again. And then when you're finished with your account, simply press Sign Out. And every time you come to the Heritage page, there's a large My Account button at the top of each screen. Simply click that, and you're welcome to sign in at any time. It is welcome to you 24/7. If you have any questions, please give us a call and let us know. But I hope this helped you learn how to use our Lawn Gateway.